guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another 4 summer outfits styling video. Y'all know the drill by now. I basically just put together outfits that I want to wear, have already worn, can't wait to wear, I forgot I had these pieces type outfits, and I chit chat and talk to you about why I pair what with what, and we just talk about other things as well. So let's do it. Let's start with look number 1. I recently got this poplin skirt from Quince and I've been wanting to wear it more often, so I wanted to kind of come up with some different ways to wear it in a bright, colorful way before we hit the fall. So let's do it. I also have been in the process of transitioning my closet. I have the closet up here off of the like media room up here, and I kind of want to just keep it for dresses and coats, and I have a bunch of other sweaters, and I had a bunch of tops, except for going out tops because I don't really need those in my main closet. But all of the like casual, even like clothes I don't wear every day, I wanted them downstairs so that they could be everyday pieces, you know what I mean? Because when they're up here, I don't remember them, I don't see them, I'm not reaching for them. Do you know what I mean? So I wanted them more like center facing. Y'all asked me to switch up the mirror so that you could see me in it, but I also feel like I'm gonna moon y'all, so hopefully we don't do that. But can you see me? I think you can. I don't know. Anyway, poplin skirt. I say all that to say because this is a shirt that I've had in my wardrobe for a while now. I got it at Shein and I just loved it when I got it, but I haven't worn it a ton because I don't typically keep it in my everyday closet. So we're gonna change that. This is kind of a sweater piece. Also, if you see that my hair is like straight purple, we're ignoring that. I went a little too ham-sammy with my purple mask. I'm debating if I want to keep it down. It does have nice slits, so it looks like really cute down. I'm also debating if I want to tuck it in. No, I think I'm gonna leave it out. Yeah, my hair is literally like bluey purple, but I'm just like I wasn't like in the mood to re-shower yesterday after I had done it, so I'm just gonna go in the pool today and then I'll re-wash my hair. Such is life. Okay, so this is kind of like a thicker ribbed type of material, which is really cute, and I love the coloring on it, and I think this looks great with my little poplin skirt. Now I wanted to make it more summery, so that's gonna come in with the accessories. I have been loving this pearl necklace. It's so cute. So it just kind of sits on top of the little sweater tank. And then I'm also going to pop on a little hat. But first, let's put on those are flippies that I wear literally all the time. I don't think I pulled all my shoes for these outfits. I need to find shoes for that. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Okay. Anyway. So little neutral flippies. I think these look great with this skirt. With anything kind of floor length. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this hat, honestly. Is the hat too much? The hat might be too much. I don't know how I'm feeling about the hat. It's cute, but I don't know if it like is necessary for this like day-to-day outfit. Do you know what I mean? Honestly, for like day-to-day, I think I like it without the hat. Let me know what your thoughts are. Ooh, so let me try a different hat really quick. This was the other hat I was thinking about. Okay, it's giving very, very beachy. I mean, it's still adorable, but it's giving like vacation-y beachy. So I think no hat. Woo! This is really cute and super comfortable. So this was look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. I also think these sunglasses are fun because they kind of match the stripes in the shirt. Okay, moving along. I have been wearing my white denim shorts from Zara so much, so I want to pair them with this blue button-up that I haven't worn a ton. I got from Quince a little while ago. I've worn it like maybe a couple times, but I want to see the blue and the white together because I think it will look great. So let's do it. Let's pop on our little white denim Zara shorts, which I don't think are available anymore, which is such a shame because they're so good. I hate when that happens. Okay, so the little blue button up is, like I said, from Quince. It's like this very vibrant blue, and I think it will look great with these white denim shorts. Let's pop it on. It'll also really bring out the blue in my hair. So I haven't decided what accessories I'm gonna go for. I was kind of debating on a scarf, but then I was also debating on this like colorful necklace. So let's see. I also don't know if I want to do like a full tuck. I think I'm just gonna do a half tuck. Just typically comfort zone. These Poplin shirts are really good. They're very like crispy. I kind of want to get it in this like olivey green color. It's just always sold out on Quince. Okay, tell me this blue isn't stunning. It's so good. Okay, so this was my thought process. I could either do this little scarf that I grabbed in my Amazon. Ah! Here in the lip gloss, is there anything worse? Yes, there is, but I cannot get over the fact that my hair is so purple. So this was my thought, either like a scarf in here to kind of like fill that space. I think this is adorable. Cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with dark accessories. So I think I'm gonna go with this belt. I was linking this the other day and I realized they only have black in this belt, which if you're in need of a good black belt, definitely grab it, but hopefully the brown comes back in stock because it's so good. Okay, and then we're gonna go for these. I will say, I love these sandals from Target. They did give me like, not a blister, but they started to hurt in between my toes when I was walking around all day on, was it Saturday? I mean, I was walking on my feet for probably like 4 hours, so they're not like my bottoms are squishy, but I just don't think I'm used to having something in between my toes because I've been a Birkenstock girl for the last, whatever, how many years? Anyway, I think this turned out really cute. I'll probably just pair it with my little green bag. I think the color works. So this was my thought with the scarf. Now, if I wasn't gonna do it, I would do like a colorful little beaded necklace, which I think would also look cute, but I think the scarf, I love a scarf, okay? I just think it completely adds just like a really fun element to an outfit. So, all right, that was look number 2. For the point of, if you're not a scarf girl, I don't know what you're doing. But if you're not, let me show you what I would have done. Name alive. I would have just done this cute little gem beaded necklace. See, I think this is really cute too because it kind of brings out the color of the shirt. Very simple, very basic. I just think the scarf looks so much cuter. All right, look number 3. Okay, this is an outfit that is inspired from the Quince website, but this is also another piece that I kind of forgot that I have, to be honest with you, and it's one of those things I just brought from my other closet. So it is this little like waistcoat type of thing from Quince in this beautiful blue. I mean, can you tell my 90% of my wardrobe is Quince. Okay, so I also bought the matching pants to this, but I think I want to try it like switched up. So the way this was styled, I want to say was with a navy skirt, which I have, but I kind of want to try it with navy pants and see how I feel about that. So I got this in a medium, so it would be very like loose and slouchy, because that's the way I think I like it. Let's put it on with some navy pants. Dang, maybe the beaded necklace will look cute with this. I think it will. These are just so much bigger than my white ones. I have no idea why. These are from H&M. And I just feel like the navy with this like lighter blue is just so pretty. Let's see if I play around with some buttoning. Nope, not if my whole bra hangs out. No, I think we're gonna go full button. Okay, let me think about shoes here for a second. In between a slim sandal or a chunky sandal, I honestly feel like this thin sandal is the way to go. Let's pop that on really quick, I'll just see. No, I kind of like the chunky sandal. Okay. This looks cute. With the green. It's like a little different. No, I don't think I like the green. There's my lip gloss I've been looking for. Okay, 2 ideas. No. Back to the drawing board. Okay, I think this is cute. I like the colorful necklace. I feel like it ties it together. The chunky shoe kind of works. It's definitely different. It's not like my everyday sort of outfit, but I think it's cute. What do we think? Honestly, I'd probably put my hair up. No, I wouldn't. I think this is kind of cute. What do we think? Not my favorite, but definitely not bad. I like this waistcoat, honestly. I think it's cute. All right. Let's move on to the 4th and final look. This is a look I actually wore the other day when we went out, bopping around town looking for a dining room table. And tell me why these shoes are filthy. Oh my God. No matter what Scott and I are doing, like when we're furniture shopping, we always pick out the most expensive thing. But I truly feel like with a dining room table, like here's my thoughts. Okay, so I bought a cheap dining room table. It wasn't even cheap. Like it was cheaper, okay? I bought one from, what was I gonna say? All Modern, I wanna say. And we used it. It's too small. Like it was perfect for our Illinois house. Just what we needed. It was fine. We have it in our dining room now and it looks like a dining table for ants. We need at least 6 to 8. And for me, the dining room table, like I'm envisioning, okay, first thing, we need a big enough table. We're not downsizing like anytime, like within the next couple of like 10 years, whatever. Okay. So like whatever house, if we do move, like this piece of furniture will stay with us. Okay. And I was thinking dining room tables are kind of an investment anyways. I knew I wanted full wood. I knew I wanted a comfortable dining room table because when I think of a dining room table, I think of game nights. I think of holidays and like people staying in the chair and like drinking wine and playing games and all of this stuff, like cards, that I want a comfortable table. I don't want a table where people are like, okay, like get me off these terrible chairs or I can't lean back. So, oh my God, we found the most amazing like Amish made wood set from America, or made in America, and it is so good, but it is so pricey. How come dining room chairs are like $600 a piece? Like make me want to throw up. But anyways, I just feel like there's other things you can like sacrifice on a little bit more than like a dining room table that you want to be kind of like a focal gathering point within your home. So yeah, I think we're gonna make that decision. We're definitely hosting Thanksgiving here, so we wanted ordered about there. It's about a 2-month wait, so we're gonna have to make that decision relatively soon. But anyways, this is what I wore when we went out and about. So we went to Rise, which is a souffle place. It wasn't bad. And then we went to Nebraska Furniture Mart, HEB, and we got a gift for a friend's, like a little kid's birthday party. So that's what we did. But this is the outfit that I wore. And the lady at Rise gave me a compliment and said I looked cute. And I said, thank you. So I'm back on these jeans. They're so good. And I have been wearing the heck out of these little shell tops from Quince. I have it in white and in yellow. This is similar to the outfit that I wore in my last summer outfits video, but it was just so good that I'm like, okay, well, I have a yellow top. Let me style that as well. So that's what I did. So same thing. These jeans are just, they're too good. Okay, they're too good. And then, like I said, I wore the little brown flippies, which are different because in the last one I wore my brown flats, but I think the flippies kind of give it a little bit more of a casual look, and it matches all my chocolate brown accessories that I've been loving. I did wear my hair up because it was hot, and I think my hair is driving me nuts, but we know that I don't ever have anything up here to put my hair up. I need to keep clips up here, but the problem is I clip them in my hair and then I wear them for the rest of the day, and I forget to leave them up here. Same thing with reusable grocery bags. Anyway, and I also wore this little clutch, and I just carried it around, and it was so cute. Anyway, I thought this was so cute. I didn't wear a necklace or anything. I kept it pretty basic, pretty simple, but these tops are so good, and so are these jeans, and I just think the chocolate accessories were really like a fun outfit. It's giving very casual, very loose, comfy, and I wasn't sweating because everything is loose. Nothing is hugging my body. So I loved it. Anyway, that was it. That was my little I think for sunglasses I wore my Lady Burbank Ray-Bans. Those are in my car, or maybe even Scott's car, not sure. But anyways, this was it. That is my little 4 summer outfits. Are we starting to get ready for fall? I have fall wish list coming soon within the next like couple weeks. And then I would say I'm gonna wait until like mid-August to really hit you with those fall outfits, because I know we're all thinking about it, but it's still, I mean, it's not even hitting hundreds yet in Dallas, which makes me believe that we're gonna have a very long summer. You know, whatever. Last October, or 2 Octobers ago, I'm like thinking about it, is when it snowed on Halloween for when we were in Illinois. So, you know, you just never know what you're gonna get. But anyway, that is little summer outfits. I love you guys so much. I'll always love to know what your favorite outfit was down below. I think they were all really great outfits, in my humble opinion. You just never know though. If you've been around here, you know that I've had a lot of misses as well, but this one was a hit. So I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.